I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. Use multiple layouts. Now, we have been using multiple layouts from the beginning of our shows going back as we were fun, but we found some layouts that we use all the time. Now, some layouts really lend themselves to specific content. Other layouts are just for different shows we do or for different formats. When we had to go remotely, we needed a different layout for the remote versus the in the studio. But what I want to do is Oliver, if you could play the little video we put together. This is just a video of some of the different layouts we've used over time that we have. So this is one where I brought in a remote guest. This is the one I'm using now. We also have layouts that are a little more focused in. This was from when we had to be remote, so we were bringing the show in on Sling Studio of me. And there's the layout we had with Paul of PTZ Optics, who did a great job with us towing over the different uses of the PTZ. And this one we brought our whole team in for a show, showing you how to integrate Zoom into your show. And this is one of my favorites, having Dr. Cross on the show with a live product at the same time. So we've done some cool stuff with multiple layouts. And